goddamn I'm fly. My nigga super hyphy, I be super high. I'm in a box Chevy, sitting stupid high. The rims don't move, look like we floating by. I'm holding my 40 CAL. It's the JAC from CAL. You niggas playing with it, but boy, I be staying with it. So keep it in the circle, man, cause it's never different. It'll keep them lifted, hour after hour. Unwrap 20 kicks while in hell and sour. The Jamaican shower, POSSE. Involved in the type of crimes you would never be. Check out my where to be, it's 0 in the clip. It was fun, I was numb as shit. Shells fall, bodies drop, damn the game is thick. An addict to the streets is hard to kick. Easy to sniff, whatever make me drift. Through the night shift, taking chances daily, baby. Precious as my life is. I'm just a gangster, man. What happened to the world is my biggest question. What happened to the Cuddy Furl was the biggest lesson. Up the block sideways through the intersection. Seemed just like yesterday we was in a session. What you know about holding it down with a weapon? I don't think you do. The words from Never Blink was true. They'll sink deep, me and you, that's cyanide. I was high and smoke too thick to see through. Cloud my brain, I was barely sane. Hey nigga, shit ain't really been the same since I've been a grown man. Should've got an education, only got myself to blame. Getting older every day, trying to smoke away the pain. Gunshot, one shot, I can see his brain. I can't see his face no more, I don't feel a thing. Thinking about my niggas in the hood, we won't ever change.
I'm just a gangster.
I'm just a gangster, man.
Who's caught up in the game?
Who caught up in the game?
Yeah, I'm just a gangster.
I'm just a gangster.
I guess some things will never change.
Some things will never change. I got my hand on my strap, these suckers making me nervous. All I need is the pay, they say the world don't deserve us. Sold out the first day, the people, they don't return us. They say, when you returning with a new release jacket, I love the game in the streets, then the rapper come after. Watch your mouth shake, suckers, cause the boys will come snatch ya. Friday afternoon, we be facing towards Mecca. You got an album in the stores, but the hood don't respect ya. You's a bitch ass nigga, why would we accept ya? Anyway, I'm windows up, tagged out with the mini K. Thug the fuck out, but the bitches love us anyway. My whip's so dope, it ain't really much I gotta say. Let the top down in the town with my partner K. Let him see the jack, cause he who the real mobsters play. Something in my lap, knock your cap off a block away. I ain't playing any streets, I'm trying to take your life away.
Yeah.